No. So we have the copper.
Do I have enough flux?
Firmly affixed. We're doing another layer of copper because we like the lip. Look. Do you guys see how one piece has the lip and the other does not?
Do I melt the lip at the same time? Like,
Sure. It'll go there anyway. You can't really
gosh,
help it.
this is tricky. This is a little tricky.
I know.
Oh, this is sticking to the thing. Look. What do I do?
Just touch it and it'll come off.
Oh, this is really...
It is. But you just have to, it's like riding a bike. You just have to
I forget which is hot and which is supposed to melt.
And if you feel like you have enough metal, then at that point, just take your time and just smooth it out.
This doesn't come naturally to me. It can,
especially because this gets closer.
Does this keep sticking for you?
Yeah. No.
This isn't a natural thing. Like, you really kind of have to get the hang of it.
I am so going to post this as a tutorial.
Okay. I'm really uncoordinated.
This is important, this vise right here. It's pliers. Mm-hmm.
I'm just... This wasn't even touching. I was just kind of going along. Do you see what I mean?
I do. Just melt it. You can melt it 500 times and play with it.
This is a tedious operation.
Yeah.
I mean, it really is quite tedious.
Yeah. You're like a surgeon. But no one's life is at stake.
Okay, I need a little more metal right here.
Mm-hmm. And we probably didn't put flux. You like how I said we?
Oh.
Exactly. But it doesn't matter. It's okay. That's just a little tiny
There's
lip.
several things to think of.
Yeah. Now, is this getting hot right here where you're holding the metal?
Oh.
Because I just was going to remind you to move your thumb.
It was.
Boys and girls, move your thumb.
Is this that flux dry over here?
It's okay. I think it'll still be ready to go. I'm going to let the viewers see how it just drips right down the side. Now, Susan, if we can do this, can anyone do this?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yes. Good job, Susan.
Thanks.
It's
Excellent. Fun.
So that you need 5 things only to solder. You need this. You need this.
Tell them where to get it. It's hot.
Hobby Lobby.
Don't hold the thing right close to the gun.
Move your thumb. And now. There you go. And you need this. I don't have to tell you guys because you can read. And you need a gun. We got this from Fry's for like $10. But you can get it from Hobby Lobby, probably Home Depot. And then just start to play. Susan and I've decided you have to consider soldering in 2 phases. One, where you're getting the actual solder on. You see how lumpy that is and pathetic? And now, okay, let's
flux.
show them. Tell them the importance of flux. Flux is important. So here's the flux. Just any paintbrush will do.
Whenever you tell me that there are people and they're asking, you can't. It has to be more natural. You can't say "tell me" because I'm knowing people are watching. Okay.
No one's gonna watch this.
Can we just be more normal?
We're gonna be reported to Pinterest.
Can we be more normal?
Yeah. Okay,
tell the people. Tell the viewers.
Tell what
it stresses me out.
Does it make you feel like you have to be a professional?
Yeah, just say flux.
Whoops.
It's just a practice tutorial. We'll do a better one later.
I think this one's really good.
Like nothing's happening here. It's just turn all the way through.
No.
It just sometimes just I have to be patient.
Touch it with the side of the soldering.
Oh.
There you go.
That's the key.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
And then you just have to start getting it hot. And solder, it cools fast. So now go back over it. There you go. Keep it all wet at one time. That's the key. Keep it all wet, molten. There.
And then
now
should I go over the front?
Yeah,
just
now
a
go
little?
over the lip. Take that.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Try to keep it all wet so it dries so fast. So try to keep just keep going over the top. Now back over the lip. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Do you see how we have the smash effect here on the lip? That was accidental. We just, you saw it fall. And now we have an effect we like. And that is how geniuses are born.
That's true.
Ouch, my side hurts.
I'm going to stop. I think